get set, go! Oh, did he get you? Watch where you're going. Okay, get him, run, Jose. Ah! Okay, there you go, you got it. Erica, get her, get her. Uh-oh. We play a little warm-up game just to get them, you know, engaged, active, their bodies warmed up. Show me how to walk really wide as you can. There you go, the wide walk. All right, good. I learned I have to be kind of goofy and energetic and stuff so that they'll pay attention to me. As little tiny as you can. All right, there you go. The name of our class is Itty Bitty Basketball. It's 4 to 5-year-olds. Okay, ready? On your mark, we're stopping at the black line over there. Get set, go! Dribble, dribble, dribble. Woo! Yeah, you guys look so much better than before. We start dribbling, move up to shooting and passing. Put the ball in your hand. Have your helper hand there. Bend those knees. And woo! Shoot the ball. All right, good job. We're gonna let you practice making baskets for a little bit, and then we're gonna do one-on-one. There you go. Oh, aim for the picture. There you go. Woo, nice. Okay, there you go. Yes, you did it. Woo! Let's see. All right, good job, girls. Almost, almost. Keep practicing. Okay, go ahead. That's a granny shot. You don't want to shoot like a granny, do you? No. Okay, so, whoa. They learn social skills because, you know, a lot of them want to push and stuff like that. They learn how to interact with each other. One-on-one. The person with the ball is the offense. The person that does not have the ball is defense. Isaac, you're offense. So I want you to go over there. Jacob, you're going to be trying to stop him from making a basket. Try to knock that ball away, George. Try to knock that ball away. Woo! He stole it. Uh-oh, no body contact. Whoa! Give me 5. Woo! That looked good. Of course, it gives them like skills, prepares them for basketball, and it gives them a sense of, you know, offense, defense, which is used in a lot of other games. George, get in his face. Don't let him make it easy. Don't let him shoot. Oh, score! Nice shot.
It's great because it's inexpensive and it gives them lots of physical activity. And in public schools, we're noticing the physical activities being pulled from it. There's not as much physical activity, so parents have to find that elsewhere. And that's what I'm doing with him. And Parks and Rec is a great choice.
Here I go, I'm gonna bounce it. You can either catch it or hit it. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, Avery's got it. Okay, guys, block him, block him. Let me see some defense. Uh-oh, Avery's got the ball again. Woo, Isaac. Down this way, Isaac. Isaac, this way, this way, this way. Come back this way. Come on, yellow team, stop him, stop him. Woo, Avery, you're too quick. Yay, nice shot.
I started playing with my dad in the backyard and then I wanted to take lessons.
All right. Oh, careful. Woo! Okay, come on, yellow team. Let's get it. Let's get him.
Yes, he has learned to be a team player and he's learning to share the ball.
Let's see some defense. Woo! You want to make a shot? You can let other people shoot too. Whoa!
And he's learning to enjoy passing the ball and having fun with his friends.
Jacob, Isabella, one of them I forgot the name, but her and George.
Woo! Whoa! Geez, you're smoking us. I love when they learn something that I show them when they do it right. It feels so good. Jacob, get in the front of him. Oh man, he's just too quick. We have a star. Come on, yellow team. You gotta stop him. You gotta stop him. All right, Jose, let's see a basket. Let's see a basket. Oh, so close, so close. And good rebound. Okay, time. Wow, what a good game, you guys.